properties of scalar products. We are moving with property number 1. Now property 1 is commutativity. Now what this term means? This term means scalar or dot product is commutative. Scalar or dot product is commutative. Now if vector A and vector B be any two vectors then vector A dot vector B is equal to vector B dot vector A. So this is the property. Now let's prove it. Proof case 1. Now case 1, what it states, either vector A or vector B, either vector A or vector B is 0 vector. Then what happens? If any one of A, either A or B is 0, then vector A dot vector B is equal to AB cos theta. This is equal to 0 if magnitude of A is 0, B A cos theta, again this is 0, is it clear? Either of A or B is 0. Therefore, from 1 and 2, A dot B is equal to vector B dot vector A. This is case 1. Now case 2. Case 2, what it says? If vector A and vector B are non-zero vectors, let theta be the angle between vector A and vector B, where in general theta is what? less than equal to pi. Now vector A dot vector B, magnitude of A, magnitude of B with cos theta, this is equal to AB cos theta. Vector B dot vector A, magnitude of B, magnitude of A cos theta, this is equal to BA cos theta and this is equal to AB cos theta. Fourth, now what is the reason? AB is equal to BA. Now from third and fourth, A dot B, vector A dot vector B is equal to vector B dot vector A. Hence, commutativity, what it implies, vector A dot vector B is equal to vector B dot vector A. This is the result.